How to log into your Costco ESS Employee account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Costco ESS Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one. Costco Employee website. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now scrolling down, you will find the login section for employee. You can see that current employee login and former employee login. Go ahead and select the option for which you want to log in. For this video, I'm going to log into current employee account. Just click on it. And with that, you will be directed to the login page. Now all you have to do is type in your account's credentials. Go ahead and type in your username. Likewise, type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option, Trouble Signing In, and recover your user ID or password. Once you type in, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into your Costco ESS Employee account. This was simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.